we'll be drawing different types of cartoon eyes. Okay. And you can add colors to this. You can add a blue, green. Now we'll make an eye which looks upward. Okay, which looks up. We'll put green color. The third eye, which is aggressive one. Okay, we shall do the aggressive eye. We'll make the eyebrows first, like this. Draw crossed V, put a right mark like this. Shade the V part or tick mark, one eyeball here and one more in this side. You can add red color to this. Next, we'll make one eye closed and one eye open. Okay. Draw one eyeball, eye here, eyeball. We'll make some lines, curvy lines like this, so that it looks the eye is closed. You can add blue color to this. And we'll make one more type of eye. Okay. You can draw your own eyes. And I'll make one more. Yes, this first one is a normal cartoon eye which looks forward. Okay, and this is the eye which looks upward, and this is an aggressive eye which indicates angry. And here we can see a eye closed and one more eye open. And this is a doubtful eye. We can see the eyebrows up and down. And this is also a normal cartoon eye. Now we'll make both eye and mouth. A smiley face. We'll draw two eyes, one eye big and one eye small. That is the feature of cartoons, okay? And a wide smile. We'll make a smiley face with tongue outside. Again, two eyes, small eyeballs, eyebrows, smile, and tongue. You can add colors to this. Now we'll make a laughing face. Again, two eyes and a big mouth. This is a teeth. And we'll make a wide smile with no chins. Two eyes, again two eyes, eyebrows, and a wide smile. And also we can make some teeth fell down. These are some basics of cartoons. And also we can make a guy with no mood. You can add colors to this. Here, here we can see a smiley face and a smiley face where a tongue is outside and a laughing cartoon. Here a wide smile with no chin and we can see his teeth are gone. It is fell down and here we can see a cartoon which has no mood. It shows that expression. We'll be drawing the face which looks upward, downward, sidewise. Okay. First, we'll draw again 5 circles. You can use bangles or just draw using sketch pen. Okay, now take your pencil and in the first circle, you draw straight line like this from top to bottom as well as side. In the second one, you draw curvy line like this, 1/4 in the left side and 3/4 in the right side. 1/4 upward and the rest in space in the downward like this. Here not correctly half but slightly more to the left side like this. Draw these curvy lines 3/4 from left side and 1/4 in the right side. We'll move to the next one. Next step. Take your black sketch pen. We'll draw 2 eyes and a nose, smile. Smile on the face. You can draw ears. You can add colors to this. You can add red color to the nose and also you can design to the hair. Think that it's a curly hair. Next, we'll draw a cartoon which is facing upward. The eyes which are seeing upward. One eye can be seen properly and one more eye just a little. Now we'll make a face which is facing downwards. Down the intersection point, okay? Here is the intersection point which we have drawn in the pencil and down of that we'll draw 2 eyes. As is a cartoon, when it looks downward, the eyebrows will go upward. Here we can see the face which is looking forward and a face which is looking upward, downward, and again we'll make two eyes which is facing right of me. Okay, nose, smiley face, and one more ear will not be seen, and one more which is facing this, only this ear can be seen. Even you can add hair color. Today we have learned how to make different types of expressions which is seen in eyes, and the expressions using mouth, and also different types of faces which is facing front, up, down, right, left.